Senda, the one, the only, the official, the original, the authentic, the real, the guy from Pittsburgh, except no cheesy YouTube commentators, trolls, imposters, or fakes, or people who say that I comment on their videos when I don't. And to show you, I am in the passenger seat. There's Kathy driving the Prius. You see, she's behind the wheel. There are no wheels on the right side for those who think I'm driving the car. Say hello, Kathy.
Hello, Kathy.
All right, and this is an episode of Burgh Unboxing as we head to Walnut Creek to find out what the hell fell off the car last Saturday. All right, this isn't going to be easy. All right, we're going to open this up, and I don't have any way to hold this up, and someone's swerving over the road here. Okay, I don't know what this is. We will find out. This is me, baby. All right, this has a, look at me, pull apart to open. It's nice. Okay, this comes from Gardnerville, West Virginia. This is, aha. Okay. This is a 1 ounce round of silver. George S. Patton silver coin. So it's a Patton collectible and a silver collectible. So there it is. Kathy? All right, that's that one. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. It looks like it's threatening rain here still. It is raining. It's starting to rain again. Bye-bye for now.